Aloha, y'all. What's cooking? Welcome to my channel. My name is Steph, and I am the socially awkward chef. And this is our third meal that we're making out of that one chicken that we roasted in our previous video. So this is leftover thigh meat and a little bit of the breast meat that we had, as well as the drumstick that we pulled apart from our chicken before we made stock. So now we're going to take this and we're going to turn it into some chicken salad. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up the chicken. And I am just going to coarsely chop this. If you prefer, you can always shred it up if you want. I always find that this is a little bit easier. And if you are particular about how big you like your chunks of chicken in your chicken salad, feel free to add them. Almost done. If you see any yucky bits, feel free to toss them out. I got a little bit too excited and put all the chicken out here at once. Alright. So, note to self, just do it in batches. It's getting there. Just a couple more passes. Yeah, looks pretty good. And I'm going to wash up and come back and finish this easy peasy chicken salad. What we're going to do next is to add our veggies. So this here is 1.5 stalks of celery and small dice. So add that in. I had a carrot laying around, so I went ahead and just grated it just for some nice color. Totally up to you if you like carrots or not. And onion. This is about a 1/4 of a small onion. Add more or less to your liking. I'm going to start with just a couple of tablespoons. Well, that's about it. That was all of it, never mind. So 1/4 of a small onion diced. Okay. So I'm going to just give that a light stir just to incorporate things. And then I'm going to add mayo. Now, here in Hawaii, we have a favorite, which is Best Foods. On the East Coast, it's Hellmann's. This is where you want to use your own favorite mayo, go for it. How much you want to add also is up to you. This is about 1/4 of a cup. I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper and just a pinch of salt. The mayo already has some salt and the chicken was seasoned, so we can always add salt and not take away. So I'm just going to give this a good stir. And I'm turning the bowl while I'm turning with my spoon, so things go by a little bit faster. Right. Looks pretty good. So at this point, you would go ahead and give it a taste, adjust your salt and pepper, mayo if you want. If you want more than that, this looks pretty good to me. And then that is your third meal. So you can go ahead and make wraps from this. You can make a sandwich. You get the idea. But that was one chicken. We got 3 meals out of it. It's great for these days with inflation going up, and everybody could use some savings, right? So until we eat again, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Aloha.